Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Rajni Mehto and we are doing CUET 2025 English Language Practice Series. So let's continue with question number 7. Question number 7 says, my friend's actual job involves a lot of administration. Okay, so over here in this sentence, use of actual is unnecessary. So the sentence should be, my friend's job involves a lot of administration. So error is in first part of the sentence. Question number 8. The students refuse to accept responsibility for their acts. So there is no error in this sentence. Option D. Question number 9. It is not possible for me to give you the accurate date of my departure yet. So over here, accurate is a wrong word. We'll use an exact date for my departure. So error is in second part of the sentence. Next, the job for drawing water from village well is usually carried out by women and young girls. So it is preposition related error. Preposition related error. So the sentence should be, the job of drawing water from village well is usually carried out by women and young girls. Next question. I remember him as someone who was a lot nicer than circumstances warranted. So there is no error in this sentence. It is correct. Next, several days passed before Jeff worked over enough courage to return to the house. Okay. So in this sentence, work something up means to develop or improve something with some effort. So over here we'll use worked up enough courage to return to the house. So error is in B part. So the sentence should be, several days passed before Jeff worked up enough courage to return to house. So working something, like work something up means to develop or to improve something. Next, had I been in my brother's position, I would have refused the offer. So in this sentence, no error is there. It is correct. Question number 14. His parents usually spent their summer in Ooty, but this year they are spending it in Darjeeling. Okay, so this first part usually is normally a general habit के लिए हम use करते हैं and usually always used in present simple. Okay, so प्रेजेंट सिंपल अगर हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ होना चाहिए, स्पेंड. ओके, एक जनरल हैबिट की बात कर रहे हैं कि हर साल वो कहाँ अपनी समर को स्पेंड करते थे, ऊटी में करते थे और अब वो इस बार दार्जिलिंग में कर रहे हैं. सो द सेंटेंस शुड बी, हिज पेरेंट यूजुअली स्पेंड देयर समर इन ऊटी बट दिस ईयर दे आर स्पेंडिंग इट इन दार्जिलिंग. He lost heart because he could not cope up with the difficulties in life. Okay, so over here use of up is incorrect. Cope with means to face. अगर हम बोल रहे हैं cope up, cope with, इसका मतलब होता है to face difficulties etc. Okay, to face or deal with responsibility, problems, etc. Hence, he could not cope with should be used here. So, error is in B part. she cite any precedent in support for her case? So again, support of her case, it is preposition related error, तो for की जगह क्या यूज होगा सेंटेंस में? in support of her case. So error is in C part. Question number 17. The general manager of industry has felt that there is no use of discussing about the problems with the laborers. So in this sentence, use of about is superfluous or like unnecessary. We can simply say the manager of the industry has felt that there is no use of discussing the problems with the laborers. So error is in C part. She inquired from the stranger who was he and what he wanted from her. Okay, so इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में क्या होता है कि हमारा जो इंटेरोगेटिव होता है दैट चेंजेस इनटू असर्टिव. हेंस यहाँ पर हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? हु ही वॉज. ओके, हु ही वॉज इज द राइट यूसेज. So she inquired from the stranger who he was and what he wanted from her. So error is in B part. Question number 19. One should keep his word. So यहाँ पे हम possession का यूज़ करेंगे. So one should keep, his की जगह क्या आएगा? one's word. So error is in C part. Stay tuned for more videos.